Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you what to do when app not open message shows up in any Mac computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you. Let me try to open this application. So right now you can see here app not open message showing up, so you can see more information written here. So if you're getting a similar message that shows up app not open, then what you can do is just click on this done. Now just open the system settings and now just scroll down below and you'll see here privacy and security. Just click on it. Now on the right side just scroll down till the bottom and you'll see here the recently open app is showing up here. As you can see, app was blocked to protect your Mac. So in order to fix this issue, just click on this open anyway and now click on this open anyway. Now put your Mac computer password and click on OK. Now the application will get successfully open. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily fix app not open message shows up in any Mac computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.